Hello, how are you?
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Nafisa Kausari. You can call me Nafisa.
Okay, Nafisa, can you tell me the order of days?
Just Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Good. Can you tell me the order of month?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, good. What is the date today, Nafisa? Saturday.
Saturday, February 14, 2026.
When is your birthday?
April 14, 2015.
Okay, good. What is the 10th month of the year?
October,
Nafisa, what is the day after Thursday?
Friday,
Friday. Tell me name of season.
summer, rainy season, autumn,
Okay, what is your favorite season, Nafisa? Nafisa. My
favorite season is autumn.
Okay. Next, name of weather.
Hot, rainy, rainbow, sunny.
What is your favorite weather, Nafisa?
My favorite weather is snowy.
Nafisa, what clothes in the summer?
Short, t-shirt, sweater,
Okay. What clothes in the winter? Winter.
jacket, sweater, pants.
What are you wearing now? Today.
Today I'm wearing blue veil, in
Red and white.
with a white sweater, black pants.
Next question. Can you tell me name toys and games?
Toys, doll, yo-yo, marble, and puzzle.
Okay. What is your favorite games?
Hide and seek, tag, jump rope.
What toys do you have, Nafisa?
I have doll, stuffed animal,
Stuffed animal.
stuffed animal, and teddy bear.
Okay. Next question. Can you tell me example of outdoor activities?
We hiking,
Okay. Next, indoor activities.
painting, reading, dancing,
Okay. Very good. Nafisa, can you tell me name of sport?
badminton, volleyball, football, tennis, table tennis,
What is your favorite sport, Nafisa?
badminton, and swimming.
Okay, let's see the picture. Can you tell me part of the house? What do you see? What is this? Chimney.
Roof, door, dress, window, wall,
Yard.
yard,
Okay, very good. Next, what room is it? Bedroom. Okay. What is
bed,
it? Bed.
blanket, fan, pillow, pencil, lamp, shelf, computer, desk,
Okay, where is the door, Nafisa?
the door, lights, by the bed,
Where is the pillow?
on the bed.
Where is the book? The book is
On
on
the
the.
table.
Okay, very good. Next, what room is this? Living room. Sofa.
Sofa, table, television, guitar, lamp, window, door, rock,
Where is the painting?
painting on
On the.
on the wall.
Okay, good. Where is the guitar?
Guitar is between lamp and
Lamp and
lamp and
lamp. Okay, very good. Next, what room is this? Kitchen. Good. Next, right.
fridge, table, chair, tin, oven, pot, pot, stove,
Open.
oven,
Blender.
blender,
Knife.
knife, spoon, fork,
Okay. Where is the pen, Nafisa? The pen
pen
is
is on the stove.
okay, good. Where is the teapot?
Pot is on the shelf.
Okay, good. Where is the blender? By the
By the
cake. Okay, very good. Next questions. Can you tell me name of transportation?
bus, school bus, cars, bicycle, motorcycle.
Okay, very good. How do you go to school, Nafisa?
Car and I go to school, car and motorcycle.
Okay, next. Name of jobs.
Doctor, chef, businessman.
Okay, what do you want to be in the future, Nafisa? In
In
the
the
future.
future, I want to be a doctor.
Next. Name of public places. Hotel.
Hotel, library, station, factory, barber shop.
Okay. Next. Nafisa, a place to get on a train.
Station,
Right.
station,
Okay, good. A place where we can see sunset and play sand.
beach.
Beach, good. A place to read and borrow books. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.